The revelation of lights on Proxima Centauri b has ignited a renewed interest in exoplanet studies, as scientists prepare to unravel the mystery behind these intriguing signals. Experts are collaborating globally, pooling resources and ideas to investigate whether these lights may indeed originate from intelligent architecture or natural phenomena. Each hypothesis brings a flurry of inquiries and tests. Teams scramble to analyze data, searching for patterns that could suggest a civilization's presence or, conversely, reveal the enchanting randomness of nature. The thrill of potential discovery binds researchers and fuels the imaginations of the public, each excitedly pondering what this may mean for humanity's place in the cosmos. Key implications arise as theories develop. If advanced life truly exists so close to us, it redefines our understanding of life's uniqueness. Would such a civilization be akin to ours, or would they exhibit advancements beyond our current technologies? Scientists know the answers might reshape our narratives about life on Earth and beyond. Proxima Centauri b has become more than just a distant planet. It embodies the very essence of human curiosity, a beckoning call to venture forth into the great unknown and contemplate our existence in the universe. Armed with the tools of modern astronomy and the collective ambition of humanity, the pursuit of knowledge continues unabated, captivating hearts and minds across the globe. The cosmos, it seems, has many secrets left to unveil. As researchers delve deeper into the data provided by the James Webb Space Telescope, exciting possibilities emerge, but so do significant challenges. Each day brings a new wave of findings, compelling scientists to adapt their approaches and refine their questions. With every piece of evidence, there is an intricate dance between skepticism and wonder, drawing the scientific community closer to breakthrough discoveries. Observatories around the world are gearing up for collaborative efforts, anxious to contribute their insights to this monumental quest. The public, too, watches intently, with each update sparking discussions about the implications for life beyond Earth. What if the lights signify an extraterrestrial civilization's industrial activity? Would they represent a chance for interstellar communication, or might they reflect an entirely different reality? As excitement mounts, the lines between science fiction and scientific possibility blur, igniting imaginations while progressing through evidence-based research. The stakes have never been higher, as humanity stands on the precipice of potentially rewriting history in our search for cosmic neighbors, illuminating the age-old question of whether we are truly alone in the universe. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to collect data, researchers focus their efforts on understanding Proxima Centauri b's atmospheric composition. Advanced algorithms are employed to sift through vast amounts of information, identifying chemical signatures that might hint at life. Each detail uncovered could serve as a vital clue, unveiling whether water vapor or methane exists amid the planet's atmospheric layers. Collaborative analysis emphasizes the importance of cross-verifying findings, with various teams running independent experiments to validate results. These endeavors not only showcase the resilience of scientific inquiry but also highlight the profound potential of discovering alternate life forms, prompting humanity to rethink its place in the universe. With renewed determination, scientists prepare the next set of observations, setting their sights on identifying specific molecules that might signal the presence of life. Each breakthrough in data analysis brings the team closer to unlocking the mysteries surrounding Proxima Centauri b. As the analysis deepens, the scientific community shares a united vision, fostering hope for eventual breakthroughs that could change our understanding of existence. The quest to answer the age-old question of life beyond Earth fuels a passion for discovery, inspiring future generations to look towards the stars with wonder.